Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are excited to bring you a fun and friendly guide to making a classic Japanese dish, omurice. Omurice is a delightful Japanese fusion of Western omelette and rice. The term omurice combines omelette and rice. This dish features cooked rice wrapped in the thin layer of egg or topped with a fluffy omelette. Today we are making the later version, where the egg is not wrapped but rather served atop the rice. Let's dive into this simple yet delicious recipe. First of all, chop the onion and mushroom and cut the chicken into bite-sized pieces. Next, heat the frying pan, add some oil and saute the onion on medium-low heat until translucent. Once the onions are soft, add the chicken and cook it thoroughly. After chicken is cooked, add mushroom and salt to season. Then add the rice and quickly mix it to ensure the ingredients are evenly distributed throughout. Stir in ketchup until the rice turns out uniform color. Then add black pepper. Plate the chicken rice, flattening the top slightly as we'll cover it with the egg later. Next is the egg. For 2 servings, we'll use 3 eggs. We recommend using 2 eggs per person for a generous portion. Beat the egg in a bowl, add milk and mayonnaise, and mix well. Don't worry about mayonnaise lumps, they'll dissolve with heat. Heat a small non-stick frying pan and warm it up well. The batter begins from here. Add 10 grams of butter and let it melt. Before it completely melts, turn down to low heat and pour in the egg mixture. Let it sit for 5 seconds, then stir gently from the edge to the center, like making scrambled eggs. Move the pan back and forth to frap up the eggs. After about 10 seconds of stirring, let it sit for another 10 seconds. Then remove from heat and use chopstick to gently lift the egg edge from the pan. Slide a spatula under the egg and lay it over the chicken rice. It's okay if it doesn't come out perfect like ours. We'll cover it with ketchup later. The combination of buttery aroma tangy ketchup, and fluffy egg is irresistible. While the egg can be tricky, the taste is fantastic. Give it a try. Let's look over the ingredients. How did you find our omurice recipe? It's a simple yet heartwarming dish that's perfect for any meal. We'd love for you to try it out. If you like this video, please subscribe and hit the like button. Stay tuned for more delicious recipe in our next video. Bye bye!